This is what Colorado mountain dream homes are made of. This gorgeous property checks all of the boxes, and it's an ideal home if you love to host parties or for multi-generational living. Hi, I'm Kayla Maathuis with your journey home at RE/MAX Alliance, and welcome to the newest listing to the Conifer area. Let's go check out this gorgeous mountain dream home. This gorgeous home checks all of the boxes, from the soaring ceilings to the wall of windows to the hickory wood floors to the expansive and gorgeous kitchen. And in the summer months, you can enjoy the wraparound deck, listening to the hummingbirds and watching the wildlife. Need even more space for guests or multi-generational living? There is a separate living quarters in the walkout basement featuring soaring ceilings, heated tile floors, a kitchenette, big bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, a dry sauna, bedroom, and storage. This gorgeous mountain home has an ideal location. It's only 10 minutes to Conifer for shopping, restaurants, retail, or access to the high country. Or it's only 20 minutes to the Ken Carl area for all of your downtown needs. If you or someone you know are interested in this gorgeous mountain home, reach out to me for your private showing or for more details. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious.